Style, elegance and opulence is what you will find when you walk through the doors of this magnificent home. Set on a large private allotment in an exclusive street, this home will take your breath away. The high ceilings throughout and the floor-to-ceiling windows in the open-plan living areas will give you a feeling of spaciousness. With a gourmet kitchen, study, media room and lift, this home has it all. Or perhaps it's the private in-ground swimming pool with detached entertainment area that takes your fancy. And let's not forget the spectacular ocean and river views on offer from almost every room. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind home in a peaceful location, this one is for you. This home really does need to be seen to be believed.